Alright, here we have our next project we're going to be working on. It's a molten burrow. And essentially we're going to do a walk-in shower over here. This beautiful thing is going to come out of here. This is just your standard corner shower. Put a new door in for them. All new tile floor. I believe we're doing a new countertop for here. We're gonna have some wainscoting going around, and then around the tub. The tub's gonna stay. It's in decent shape, but we're gonna replace this whole tile with some nice subway tile in here. Yeah, the shower is gonna get much bigger. It's gonna come out to about the door height. So it's gonna look a lot nicer in there. And then we're gonna have some cool sliding doors for them, a corner sliding door. So that's gonna look really cool. And then some really nice floor tile. Gonna update the lights. Yeah, so nothing crazy. It's just standard, but it's gonna be cool. The only unique thing is that we're doing two things here, with the tub and the shower. Latest project complete. So this was essentially a bathroom update. There was tile on here that we ripped off and updated with this more modern subway tile. It's actually got a really good, cool wavy design to it. And that went all the way around. The one that sits in there. We updated their valve and their faucet. Got a new toilet. And here's the centerpiece of this whole thing. This used to be a shower insert. Plastic shower insert that was in there. We ripped it out. We made it 38 by 48 shower. Huge shower. Really cool corner door with a little magnetic strip, so the joint goes together really tight, which is awesome. Very unique corner niche. This is the first one that we've actually done, and it came out pretty cool, because we didn't really want to go further this way because of these shells, and we wanted to do something original. Got all new plumbing, a diverter valve to the handheld shower head, and then our shower head. On this side, we updated their vanity, really cool vanity. Nice big 64-inch mirror. Updated the lights. Another unique thing we did here is this wainscoting that we did. It's on this corner, and then it also starts here. It's all semi-gloss, flows really nicely with these doors, and then out to there. Tile the floor all throughout. 12 by 24 porcelain tile. Really sharp. Whole project took about 4.5, 5 weeks, with all the little touch-ups and all the other things that had to happen. But the actual labor part was about 4 weeks. So, wow. The color, we're at a beach house, so that's kind of the idea on that, and the homeowner really liked it. So we're kind of going with that. But this is the centerpiece of the whole thing, this beautiful shower. Love the glass door, frameless, very clean looking design. And that hex tile that's in there is really nice too. The beveled edges just gives it something different than just subway tile. Let me know what you guys think. Please subscribe. We do one of these a month essentially, and show some cool bathroom ideas, and that's what you'd be able to see here. Thanks. Bye.